Yeah, you beautifully said. When me hear Sounds From Yaad, but hear that Sounds From Yaad, like a paid actor. The Russo when it says a paid actor.
Well, since I called all of them, they had no choice.
Oh, okay. Man, so he's a Ramesh.
Go.
Boom bang.
Sounds from Yaad. Sounds from Yaad.
Alright, so we'll go on YouTube. What's up, Berritos? Dutty Berry here with another interview with some Jamaican actors. This time it is the cast and crew from Sounds From Yaad. May I get it right?
Yeah.
Sounds From Yaad.
Yeah, man.
Alright, now, so before we jump into the interview, please to introduce yourself, starting from my right.
My name is Joan Mckenzie. You might know me from films and also stage plays, but more so films such as Get Alive and Home Again, Sprinter, so on.
Etc. Yeah. I know the man that probably needs no introduction.
My name is Owen Blakka Ellis. You don't know me? Google.
Damn, that was my line! Hi, I'm Sherando Ferril, producer performer on Sounds From Yaad. I'm the CEO of Yaad Entertainment. Our tagline is Caribbean Stories, Global Audiences, which is exactly what Sounds From Yaad fits into. I'm also an actress. I'm the first Jamaican actress to play lead in a film called Chokehold with an international cast that went to the Cannes Film Festival. That's just one of my accolades. You can Google it for the rest.
Yeah, man, you better talk your talk, yes.
I am Raul Blaze. I'm more known as a content creator, and I'm now venturing into theater as a writer and actor.
Okay, nice.
I'm Joan Mckenzie. Professionally, I am a teacher and a thespian, but you might know me from TikTok.
Yeah.
I am Everaldo Creary, aka Apoko. And I'm just trying to be somebody.
Jesus, No, I see all of Una seem to be a very well-gelled cast. Like, is this true or this is just because the camera record right now?
We're not acting.
Oh, no, this is authentic.
Yes.
This is who we are.
Who didn't know who before Sounds From Yaad? Who knew, they're familiar with each person, having their own personal relationship over the years, worked with each other before? Talk to me.
Yeah, I know Kenzie from before I'm born, and I also know Blakka from before I'm born. I joke, long time, kind of icon.
Yes.
Sherando Ferril, for remind me, we used to do radio serial drama together.
Wow.
But this is our first time on stage together. Raul, I know him from social media,
yes.
What I mean? And him come watch you play one time, and Joan stalked me. I joke.
Oh, wow. Thank you for sharing that.
No, it's a lie. Joan from Edna Manley, she invited me to help workshop one of our movies, So that's how me know them,
Okay, Blakka, you have any connection with anybody on the cast?
So I'm a kind of a theater snob, admittedly.
Oh, wow.
We older folks who think we know real theater, and then the young ones must learn two things. So, and as a rule, I don't work with folks who I don't admire or respect their work. I can't do it. You can show. Because I can't be a hypocrite.
Yeah.
So these guys, some of them I've watched from afar and I admire them. Like Raul. I met him fighting live and the Japan ambassador.
Yes.
And that youth are smart. The thing I find most attractive in people is intelligence. If you're bright, we can work with you.
Yes.
If you're not bright yet, we can help you. if you're arrogantly, dominantly, intensely done, me and you work. Fully done, me not play.
Yeah.
So, and I met Sherando 20 years ago. A play called Things Are Going On, and I directed. And she was like, that girl have talent. She sing, act, she don't dance.
I move.
But she has a brilliant sense of accents and voices. And I'm like, I envy her voice. Wonder voice her.
Yeah.
Kenzie, I sang for the first time in a Daily Harris play at Green Gables.
Yeah.
And I'm like, and you tell, yeah. And then Everaldo, my drama school batchmate, taught him at KC. Peter Eslap.
Wow.
That's how I met him as a KC boy. Wow. And I'm like, then you and Joan, School of Drama. She's trained. She's a real actress. So
Yes.
it's
All
a
right,
joy
look-
to work with him.
All right, so Mr. say alone in a t-shirt, Sounds From Yaad. For the regular person viewer, why that name? Why is it Sounds From Yaad? Talk to me, Rob.
Right.
Wow. I wanted a name that represented what the entire production was. And Sounds was a play on the word sounds, because sounds is not just the sounds, it's the memories and the look, sight, touch, all of this called sounds. So I wanted something that represented memory, nostalgia, a wantedness to go back home, and a love and patriotism for Jamaica. So I thought Sounds From Yaad is something that everybody, when they live in Yard or abroad, they could recognize these sounds.
Okay, you beautifully said. When me hear Sounds From Yaad, but hear
That's
that
the Sounds
goddamn
From Yaad.
Sounds From Yaad, like a paid actor. Yeah, man, the Russo, what it says, a paid actor.
He's cute.
Yeah, man, remember Sounds of Music? Sounds of
yeah,
Music,
yeah,
that's what they used to
yeah,
play
it's all live.
every year. I can't remember which time during
Like Easter
some
time.
holiday or
Easter
Easter
time.
time. Okay. So this is like a Jamaican thing of bringing sounds. Okay. So was there any person that had a difficulty signing on this project when it was pitched? Like all I wanted to say yes from the get-go. Was there any one person, somebody I look over one direction over here? So.
Well, since I called all of them, they had no choice.
Oh, okay. Man, so he's a Ramesh.
That's pushing it, but okay. I mean, they can answer for themselves, but from the producer's chair, after Raul called and shared the script with me, and then I shared it with Blakka, and Blakka said, yeah, we have a script. These are all folks I've wanted to work with for a minute, that I've been observing from afar, if you will. Kenzie and I have history. Like a lot of history, the first stage play we did it together. I used to be his manager, kind of thing. First movie, him do, and me boss him, Ray. Me and Evie have history. We used to do a lot of voiceovers together, even though I don't remember. That was 20 some odd years ago, so me can't ever argue with it. And Joan, we crossed paths when I was teaching at Edna. And from I saw her in the passageway, I knew I wanted to work with her, but I needed to observe first to see the kind of energy where she bring, and then I saw the work that she was doing personally. Whether somebody I get her work or not, she built her own thing, and that for me was very impressive. Kind of reminded me a little bit of myself when I was younger. So I chose to work with each of them, and what I'm grateful for is that when we came together, the synergies just connected. Raul said it to me yesterday. He said, boy, Sherando, energy is not something you can fake. And how did you know that all of this would work together? I never know that. Me's a praying girl. So when Raul gave me the script, I go down for me and I said, God, you're going to need to guide me because this process is not mine. I'm literally just here as a tool. So who you want for connect and how and Ray. And so here we are. So, I mean, I really did handpick each of them, but they now are going to have to say if they ever had any difficulty saying yes.
Okay,
Well, I couldn't say no because the spirit talked to me. The idea of Sounds From Yaad and Raul, and I remember him as somebody who worked in Japan, lived in Japan, and those things really excite me. And then the title, Sound From Yaad, because how my brain work, I see sound as synesthetic. It's not just one sense. We are the only people in the world I know who mix up the sound like that. So, the sound, this costume loud, bad.
Yeah.
Visually, we are link up visual and oral. And for me, that was the magic. Sound From Yaad, and the play, it's not a music, it's a play. I'm thinking, wow, colorful sounds. I'm thinking, for example, you can't say somebody look stink.
Actually.
That's how just yard work. Work the way they
And them smell loud.
Them smell loud. So that was like, whoa, I like this. The words just brought me and bought me. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, you used to like literature back in school and subject. Okay, see them? Yeah, man, understand. So I want to talk to you again, Blakka. You are the director. Was it easy directing? I'm not gonna talk to the theater people, them, but the online ones, them, because people have an idea. So you come from online, you do all over the place. They use the structure. Was it difficult trying to get the influencers, content creators?
I'm mixed.
Oh.
I'm originally.
Remember, she's trained.
I'm
Why is it trained?
originally.
Yeah.
I'm,
Oh, so you say the influence upon overpower the
I'm
training.
originally theatre, but I just auditioned online.
But the
okay.
Come on, the
Raul.
problem child would be Raul.
And yet, he's the
Oh.
person with the least experience in theatre. He's strictly social media. But he has come to this with a good, respectful sense of humility. And that for me is, you can't buy that.
Yeah. Now, Kadeem, you have been acting for quite a while. Been a part of numerous productions. Like, what is something that you'd say is unique about this particular cast?
I think working with Evie, Sherando, because we have like a relationship from a time. I've always loved working with Evie, because me and him working a couple things before, but I always love working with Evie because Evie have a great sense of comedic timing, and also he's very versatile as an actor. So I in this particular cast, you have a couple of super talents, right? So Evie is one. Sherando is one person that I've worked with way back in the day in my first play.
Oh, yeah.
And just to see how she brought her character to life, I fell in love with her from the first day I worked with her. And
Watch
then,
love.
No, I mean like it was a situation where her personality, I trusted and loved her so much that she became my management.
Whoa.
I handed over my life in terms of my creative process to her and said, carry me, right? And then-
so basically, Ima did your Shensia. All right, one from each.
Right? And then working with Blakka Ellis. Now, this is something of a dream come true for me because I've always seen and known Blakka Ellis, always seen him, giving him respect. But
Yes.
it was just like being in living here in Jamaica and seeing persons that are lauded within certain communities as the stalwarts and the avant-garde of that space.
Yes.
To finally work with that person now is something that, it just shows me that I'm also on the right path. And also working with Raul. I met Raul in LA when I went to do the promo.
I'm sure Visa.
Promo for Sprinter.
Yeah.
I met him there. And recognizing just how big his personality was and how him wear him heart and him sleeve. He's just a real good person.
Yeah.
I follow him the same day, and it was in that time he was really going hard on his social media campaign, and just watching him learning that he was bilingual and learning all of those things. When I heard that I was going to be a part of this cast, or when I got the call, I was in a production, and it was a no-brainer for me to want to be in the cast, but there was something in me that was trying to navigate the other plants that are within my garden that I also need to water. So there were those considerations, but when we hear who in it, I mean, say Joan was also somebody that I've worked with before. Me and I do a couple of things on social media, and I have a lot of love for Joan. Is it me I say?
Love you do, man. Jesus, Valentine's Day, right?
So, it came together really well, and I really didn't really think too hard about it.
Oh gosh, can we have an arm for Kadeem? Oh gosh, man. Yeah.
I'm a marriage officer here.
But you're right. This is really a nice experience because most of the times you don't really get fee. You see your co-workers or industry mates about the place, but when you get the opportunity to really see them up close, because the beauty about, I guess, like theater and about the creative space is when you really get to realize, no man, you're actually the real deal. Like, I see why you're talented. I see why you get opportunities. When you get to see that up close, I don't want to say that I have the opportunity, Mr. Ellis. We went to Excelsior, not at the same time.
No.
Not at the same time, but went to Excelsior. Yeah. And the importance of, visibility and really taking up space, and being a part of just like different creative process. when I was at Excelsior, I remember in a 7th grade, they mentioned like all of the people, the past students and the people them who take up space in our society. And they would have mentioned like the Courtney Walsh, the Louise Bennett, you know, dancehall Queen Colleen, the Chris Gales would have mentioned, and your name was a part of it.
Yes.
And as somebody who, you know, Excelsior, I wouldn't say one of the school them where many people are like, oh yeah, I'm glad for reach. When I went there, I was like, all right, you know, okay. But hearing your name and realizing what you were doing in society, it said, boy, I'd love if you can come back at Excelsior and be one of them named there too.
Yes.
And then, you know
There
what?
you are.
Oh,
There you
yeah. And so, yeah. Oh, God, no, okay. Yeah, man. And so, but just, you know, since you remind me of that, Kadim, we have to just, you know, extend that appreciation and thanks as well. Now, I want to jump to Joan and Raul. Talk to me, Raul, like, is there, we are going to hear any little accents them, Jackie are going to pop out, we are going to hear from any one of Joan's character them as well. We are going to see them come out in a Sounds From Yaad, like, tell me.
We do have all four. We do have Jackie, we have Clicker Speng, we have Daria Correa, we have Jackie, we have Clicker Speng, we have Daria Correa, we also have, who else we have? Mas Winchell and Tanisha Goodas.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And so
nice.
Jackie, Tanisha.
It's Tanisha
Mas
with a
Winchell.
twist.
Tanisha with a twist?
Yeah.
Somebody can't get a look up, what's a twist?
You
gotta come.
Give me the blame or the credit. So,
His credit.
What did the director did a little?
reinterpretation.
Yes.
Well, the actress,
Yes.
actress had to be twisted.
Yes. So the ones that people know are going to be there. The
Okay.
4 main ones are going to be in it. Yeah. So it's going to be really, really interesting. Yeah.
No.
And that, let me not spoil that, but for those people who are like invested in those characters and married to them, come prepared to be slightly surprised.
Yes.
Because I'm adding a different twist to some of them.
And I suppose that's why the fact that Raul isn't the one playing them anymore.
Right.
Yes.
Have
Yes.
been asked
Yes.
to take on this mammoth, if you will.
Wow, yeah.
Because and as an actress, I don't take these things lightly.
Yes.
Because these are characters who have been established.
Yes.
These are characters who are known. These are characters who are loved. So when I'm asked to play a character that so much people know, I can't itch. You understand? I have to do my research, I have to do this. I want it for pressure, man. I want it for work. Damn you, Raul.
Was that easy for you to like hand over your
It was like I've always wanted to hand them over, but I was very nervous. I was very like me. I didn't want to play any of my characters that I was known. I didn't want to do it, but I was still nervous. And when I saw the direction that Blakka was taking, I was like, But then I saw the end result. I'm like, yeah. And I was like, so Blakka is a wonderful
Genius,
director,
yeah.
amazing director. And whenever I have any characters, I allow him to change them as much as he wants. Change it on the upside down, mix with some porridge, anything. Take it, Blakka. So the characters will be there.
Yeah, Joan, you want to chime in?
No, it's a person. I say make sure it's cornmeal.
Oh, that is right.
And the porridge, no spoiler. Make it.
Okay.
So the porridge convention, that skit is also in it, and she a Camille.
Okay.
She's Hamini. And I am Bolga.
We don't care. We don't care.
Peanut porridge.
Yeah, no, peanut.
No, sorry.
So,
Banana.
I am peanut butter. Right.
no.
Yes, you don't even know who you are.
Yeah,
I am peanut porridge.
No.
You want peanut? You want the peanut? Yeah.
All right, so Everaldo, I want you to be the person now for just tell the viewers them, the camera them right here. So, Sounds From Yaad, for the regular person watching this right now and have the idea like what are they coming to see, what type of play production? Tell them what it is.
Whoa, it's first of all, it's a review, which is it's a genre of theater, you know. So it's not like a straight, consistent one storyline. So it's a collage of skits, movements, and dance, right? And it's like scrolling through your phone. So it's the same vibe. And So I mean, it's a great opportunity to gather with your loved ones, especially your partner, you know, test them sense of humor, because if they're not funny, you know, I don't think you should stick around.
But suppose, warm to the laughter. Warm to the laughter, because some laugh can't really carry or don't appreciate any type of laughter.
Yeah,
All I laugh,
man,
like,
any
loud
kind of
laugh.
loud, boisterous laugh. All type of laughing at this, you know,
Yes.
sounds we are dealing with. You know.
Okay.
Yeah, and then, you know, it's like, you know, for me, I'm passionate about theatre. The support for theatre we need it. It's not even like, for beg you come out because them party. You know. It's because we have to contribute as a community, a diaspora and a Jamaican people, to preserve this grassroots part of our culture that not only Miss Lou and Ronnie Williams are involved in, but Marcus Garvey himself used it as an instrument to socially engineer his message too. So it's a crucial part of a foundation for culture. We don't want it dissolved, so support it, because we rehearse day in, day out, and it's not like say we are making no bag of money like Massacre and people.
Yeah.
As a musician, I'm not showing the stones, but come out and support the thing, man. It's a whole festive feeling, you know what I mean?
All right, nice,
Yeah.
nice. So, when play a quick, you wanted to jump in?
She never did this.
Oh, yeah, sure. You don't want to talk. So, we get any of your characters in that Sounds From Yaad?
No, they never write me night.
Oh, jeez, I'm Pete. Never had tonight.
You know the challenge? I'll tell you what the challenge was.
But, Tanisha Goodas is a twist with me.
Okay, so somewhere in there.
No, it's okay. That's all right.
All right, no, so I want to play a quick game with everyone before we leave. So I'm gonna just give the a statement. I want to just ball out the cast member who you feel like it best represents, right? Earliest cast member on for our rehearsals. Earliest one.
Effie.
That's a me.
I say you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes I'm early. I'm not consistent.
Nobody,
Listen,
because
Raul, we are rehearsed a morning at primary, and
you
Raul run from Kensington Crescent, run to UA, pan him foot, deliberately.
Yeah.
And the man are running down.
Never again.
And then it gets the next day.
All right. So the person who is the quickest at learning lines.
Evie.
Whoa. Evie, anything?
I don't remember what to say.
All right. So the cast member who you feel like is the quickest at learning the steps, the movements, dancing, quickie.
Kadim, dancer.
The dance captain.
Right?
Okay. So I was singing in this, right?
Yes.
So who are the vocalists of the crew?
Joan.
Not a singing.
don't
Okay.
me up on that.
She tried.
Sherando and Kadim sing.
Yes.
The rest of them act like them a sing.
Yes. Every sing show.
Sherando don't really sing enough. She just loud.
Oh.
But you know what? It is called Sounds
From Yaad.
Yaad.
Right? I feel loud and proud.
All right, no, so the cast member who tends to eat the most throughout rehearsals.
Joan. Yeah.
And it don't show.
How like when are we?
Not the wig.
Oh gosh. I know I'm going to throw the final one. Is there anyone that wants to throw out one run out there from the cast? Anybody want to throw out one?
The most miserable one person.
Who's that?
Can we point at? Can we to the director? Can we point at the director?
Oh god. God, that was fun.
But I think she's alone.
Oh
Yeah.
gosh.
She has to put up with us.
It's a lot.
Yeah man.
And then now,
As Joan said, I'm an ancestor.
you have to measure because when Sherando and Evie start with it, carrying on,
Oh, yeah,
them
man.
non-stop. So
Yeah,
that,
yeah man.
Really?
Yeah.
You want Mr. Eye everybody capital.
when they go up on a tangent, Blakka Ferril gets serious.
All right. So tell the viewers, tell the listeners know where can they see Sounds From Yaad, where it will be held, the tickets, all of that.
Me? Oh, all right. So you can see Sounds From Yaad at the Pegasus on the 29th of December. So bring your family, and you can get your thing 4 and 8 p.m. Bring your family. Did he say the price?
Go ahead.
The price is well, early bird done, so it's 4,500.
Yeah.
And it's 5,000 at the gate. And tickets at soundsfromyaad.com.
You know, Noel.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, that is it. So, let me get Joan now, because Joan, she don't want to talk. Tell the people them exactly one line. Why should they actually come out and say Sounds From Yaad?
Because I'm in it.
Join them all the channel. Yeah. Oh gosh, man. See there. So now, people, before we go on and leave now, this is Sounds From Yaad now. So we're gonna left with another little game now. So we're going to start from Kadeem and want to hear your actual best like laugh. Because we are Jamaican people who all have a laugh, okay? Yeah. We have one laugh when you hear Sounds From Yaad and the joke them are sweet you. Where your laugh? Give me your laugh and we're gonna start. Go, Kadeem. Blakka. Sherando.
As my laugh.
Roll.
Hey!
Joe, come on. Everaldo.
There's no sound, just a yard.
Oh God, people, well, if that is not enough to convince you to come out and go and check out Sounds From Yaad, please to do so. I'm going to put the on Instagram where you can find out more information right here. And as usual, Dutty Berry Show, make sure you send a like, comment, share, and subscribe, because next time I'll be talking to some more Jamaican creatives. Take care, enjoy the Christmas season, and all the best for the new year if we don't post another video. Okay? Take care.
Social media
Bam.
Right on.
1, 2, 3, go.
Right on.
Boom bang.
Sounds From Yaad.
Sounds From Yaad. Town and country, home and abroad. Sounds From Yaad. We go loud and proud, we go hard. Sounds From Yaad.
It's a cut.
Jesus. My gosh.
I want it to be seen.
But no, is it? I want 5 minutes.
1, 2, 3, bam. Yeah. Do we do it? Sorry, John.
The replace that.
Quick, come on, heavy.
Ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Walk on, boss! Like more confident. Feel like that. Yeah.
Can I go to
Yeah.
What's your favorite like you're moving on?
We don't give one to that time. But it always picture out here. Yeah. It goes in a 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And then come here, very often. But it's right here. Yeah. Why? What kind of dance? Dina!
No, let me show you all of my nice skin on the camera.
Yeah, right.
Are ready now? Delusion. Peanut is here! Peanut!
But everybody now know that. I won't say that.